Hello friends, today we are going to take advanced view and analysis on stocks for short term. Short term I mean that those stocks whose results are likely to come in 2-3 days time, and what views we can have them for about 10, 15, 20 days or so. So friends, today in the morning there were two very good news due to which the share market all across the world, they literally celebrated hugely. The first news was that the wage hike in US was not as per the expectations. This gave rise to the fact that the Fed meeting, which is due on 31st Jan and 1st February, the interest rate hike will be little subdued, number one. Second was that China has found out a vaccine which has very high immunity, 29 times more. So expectation is that this will give boost to the local Chinese business as well as exports of China and imports of China both. So these things have actually put a lot of energy into the market across the world, and today we are going to talk on HCL technology. The results of HCL technology, friends, are due on 12th of Jan. Friends, I welcome you to Uptrending Share, and I am your coordinator Anil Sharma. Friends, let us go and find out what HCL technology has in store for us. So friends, I am here on charting.com. As you can see, this is our standard NSE software, free software, and 6 months charts on daily basis, and instead of candlestick charts we are having closing price. So I have updated these charts and few things I have noted down. Friends, last time what had happened was that Q2 results were declared on 12th of October. Fine. 12th of October the results were declared. Actually the results declared were on this day. Here you can see this. This is the 12th October, right? I will just extend it so that this goes permanently into the record. So that means if the results actually of HCL Tech were very good. As a result of this, you see the price continued to go up, and then somewhere around it, say from 930, the price actually went up to say 990, 60 rupees up. Then it continued for a very long time up, and the trend did not break. And finally it touched, buying and selling up, where it went somewhere around 1140. From good 900 rupees to 1140 means they roughly gave about 250 rupees in about 2 months time, and that makes it 25%. Fine. Now Q3 results are expected on 12th January. Now before 12th January the stock has given a breakout today with a huge volume. We so expect that by the time the results come, the stock can hit 1130, or it can also go beyond 1140, which was its previous high, and that becomes the target. Friends, if you really see here, the blue one is the blue one is the price line, and the red one is the moving average of 2. You can see this is the standard and best way for the people who want to invest for a very short term. And the moving average of 2, you can see here, this is the moving average of 2. And then friends, if you see on the wristwatch, the price is giving somewhere between 10 and 10 past 5, whereas the red line is giving between 10.5 and 10.10. So that means it's a beautiful situation. Both are up, direction is very good. In intraday chart, in daily charts we see the direction of RSI is very good, and even the signal line, that is MACD line, the blue line also has started moving up. in my own opinion, although I have not made any purchases, I will buy tomorrow. In my opinion, it makes a sense of purchase. But friends, our standard is that once the price line cuts the moving average of 2, we will exit. So you can take a chance tomorrow, see what happens. See, why I am saying is chance, that is just because the share market is trying to find out its own level. Nifty is trying to find out its own level. Bank Nifty is trying to find out its own level. With a little good news, it gives a real vertical rocket-like takeoff. And with if the news is little bad, then it takes a considerable drop down. So it is playing actually both the ways. So you have to take a call whether to buy or not. But I think I will buy for 1 day or 2 days. Let us see what happens this time. We expect the results of HCL Technologies may not be as good as it was in the previous quarter, because HCL Technology is mostly in Europe and Europe is under recession. So just keep this thing in mind. If you want, you can take a very small bet on HCL Technology. It is giving a good buy signal. Friends, now what we had done was we had seen on the daily charts. Now we see HCL Technologies on the weekly charts, which is more stronger and confirming. Now if you see the weekly chart, it's just something which is very wonderful. Say just about little before October 10, in the month of October, it had given a buy signal at 900 rupees. You can see here 900 rupees, and the sell signal came somewhere around 11:30, 1130. That means good 230 rupees in about say 2 months time, 25%. It's a huge money. Then as the market fell, this also HCL Technologies also fell, dropped down considerably, has gone up to 1125. Then it was lying low. Lying low means it was sideways for about how many weeks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. That means for about 30-35 days it was actually moving sideways, and today because of the good news it has taken a quantum jump. Huge amount have the volume is very great, that is 2 crore 20 lakh 22,067. This is something which is excellent. It has changed now, I don't know why how it has changed. Nevertheless, the volume is very good. I think this is a good stock that makes sense in buying for a day or two, and if the results are good, maybe that it will have another about 150 rupees jump. So friends, this is actually our advanced view on HCL Technology for a short term, but be very careful. The market is still trying to find out its level. Our Nifty also is trying to find out its level. Bank Nifty is also trying to find out its level. So we have completed the story here. Now you have to take a call. I think tomorrow I will definitely buy some quantity of HCL Technology. Let us see what actually happens. So friends, thank you very much. Remain in the share market. Go with the charts always and earn tons of money. Thank you very much and good night.